Hi, in this tutorial we will discuss the content aware tool. So let's go ahead and understand this tool. Content aware tool is also part of the spot healing, the healing brush tool and the pads tool. And to move around you can do Control Shift and J and move around this tool. So we use the content aware tool to select and move a part of a picture. The image is recomposed and the hole left behind is filled with the matching elements from the picture. So let's go ahead and understand this tool better. The content aware move tool lets me move any object in my picture seamlessly. So if this is my bag over here and I wish to move it around, I can easily go here and select on my content aware tool. So under my spot healing brush I have, and my pads tool I have my content aware tool. So I'm going to roughly do a quick selection under this object, which I wish to bring it at a different location. Once I join the closing and the opening dots, and while I made the selection, I had my key pressed and now it's selection. I'll just move it and I think that this will look better. Maybe just here, and maybe it looks better over here. And I'm going to do enter. It's gonna take a couple of time and you will see it just picked up my bag and has brought it here, and with it it has also kept in mind the textures that were around it. So in a second you will see that I have my new image. I want to do a Control D and now I have my bag placed over here. So I could have also placed it wherever I wanted. I could have placed it in the middle of the sea. I can also go ahead, what I can do is I can also go ahead and I can take patches from here and just go around and fill the other area to the left. So I can go ahead and start filling my areas to give it a neater look. So I can go ahead, keep filling my areas, and it's going to fill the texture around. So I can go ahead and fill all of these. With Content Aware tool, there's another very awesome hidden feature that allows me to take the contents for the background and cover my object. Let me do a Control Alt Z and bring my image back here. Now this is my image, and now instead of actually moving it here, I want to fill it with the background content. So this bag is completely removed. So for the step of the Content Aware fill, I'm going to go to Edit. I will go to fill, and I have this option so you can choose the content aware. So I actually fill the selection with the foreground color, the background color, a pattern. I'm going to go with the content aware with both normal and opacity 100%, and I'm going to do OK. So just in a couple of while you will see how this bag from my image will be removed as if it never existed. So by simply making a quick selection around my image and going to edit and clicking on fill, I have completely removed my bag from this image. Now let me do a Control D and it appears that my bag was actually never there. So in this tutorial we learned two things. We learned the content aware move tool. By coming here we can move the content. We also learned the content aware fill available. With my fill, we went here under edit and we fill the content with the content aware tool. It's not working because I have not any selection, but when you have a selection it will be available, and you're going to press OK and you're going to fill it. So I just did a foreground, so that was not there. I had to do it with the content aware. So now in case I want to I want to remove this, I'm having a quick selection. In case I want to make a copy, I want to change this place, I'm just going to bring it here and I'm going to do enter, and you will see that it is removed from my existing place. So in a couple of seconds, just to reiterate what we did, so I just changed the position and it so intelligently took note of the textures. Now what about, I actually don't like it, I want to remove it. So just doing it again for you, I'm going to go to edit, I'm going to go to fill, and I'm going to choose from my contents. I'm going to my content aware. Please take the contents from around and do a color adaptation so that you're very close to it. And now another, in a flash of seconds, again I'll have these two little plants just away from my actual image. So now I have this image without any disturbance. I can go ahead and start removing this shape, removing this stones, whatever I want from an image. So this was about the content aware, the powerful content aware in Photoshop.